Hello and welcome to the Explaindio 4.0 video course. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the tabs section. Now bear in mind that this is just an overview video. I'll be creating separate tutorials to cover individual tabs in more detail. So I've got a video project open here. It's the same project we created in one of our earlier videos. You'll notice that there are two scenes. Scene 1 has two elements. I've currently selected the image element. And you'll notice that the tabs displaying are Scene, Image, Slide, and Effects. These tabs are contextual, so it'll depend on the type of element you've selected in your scene. So if I click on the text element in the timeline above, you'll notice that the tabs displaying are now Scene, Text, Slide, and Effects. So instead of the Image tab, you can now see the Text tab. Similarly, if I click on the second scene, you'll notice that the tabs displaying are Scene, SWF, Slide, and Effects, as you can see here. So instead of the Text tab, you're now seeing the SWF tab. Let's go back to the first scene, and I'll hide the timeline. In the Scene tab, you can add scene transitions, a scene image or video background, as well as a scene audio. In the Text tab is where you can edit your text, change the font family, style, size, and color, as well as the transparency, the text alignment. You can also import your own TTF fonts. In the Slide tab, you can split the scene into multiple slides, as well as add an image background for that specific slide. And in the Effects tab, you can change the sketchline color, add a pause to an animation, and change the sketch hand. If you go to the Image tab, you have options to flip the image vertically and horizontally, as well as change the transparency of the image. Now if I go back to the second scene, in the SWF tab, you can control the speed and duration of the animations. And in the Slide tab, you'll see this Customize this animation button, which is specific to scene templates. And as you can see, it opens up a whole new set of tabs to help you customize the template. I will be covering this in more detail in a separate video. And finally, when you click the Close button, it will take you back to the original set of tabs. Like I said before, I'll cover all these individual tabs in separate videos, but hope this overview video helped. In a separate video, I'll give you an overview of the animation options. So I'll see you in the next video.